Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can rejoin a Discord server that we have left. So if the server is private, then you can just simply ask the owner of that server to send you an invite link, and after that you will be able to join it by accepting the invite link. And if the server is public, then you can just easily join it by going to your browser, and here search for Discord servers. Just open up any of the server of your choice, and after that wait for it to load. And after this server opens up, you will be able to find all the public servers over here. You can just simply click on the search over the top, and here in the search bar you can just search up for any server of your choice that you have left, and you will be able to find the invite link for that particular server, and you can just directly join it. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.